And so if you like this video, and also subscribe my channel and also press on the bell icon so you can see every videos of mine, and also share this to your friends. If you need to buy this product, the link in the description, you can go and buy. So guys, welcome to my channel Diamondstar, and Diamondstar present here. In this video I'm going to show you the expensive book. Means it's not the most expensive book, but it's a type of expensive book. So this is the book called Bhagwat Geeta, where it costs 11,000. If you do not believe this, the link in the description, you can go and check it out. There it costs 11,000 rupees, and this is Bhagwat Geeta book. Okay, so I have another Bhagwat Geeta book. Just it costs some 2 to 3,000, but this cost 11,000. So the specialty of this book is this. So if you need to know full information about this, see this video till end. And also this video is in Kannada. The link in the description, you can go and watch it there. Same video, but the language is different. So if you did not subscribe my channel, go and subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon so you can see my every video. So let's start the video. And so if you're living in Mysore, I'll give you the number, the link in the description. Sorry, the number is in the description, you can go and check it out. If you're living in Mysore, if you want to buy this book, if you contact him, he will make some offer if you're living in Mysore. Okay, so the number in the description, you can go and check it out there if you need to buy. Okay, so here you can see the gold finishing of this book. And after opening this book, you get a instruction card, where you don't need this, because I'm going to say everything about this book. So I can see here, and also this book contains 3 languages: Sanskrit, Hindi and English. So just the specialty of this book is only this much. So what makes it 11,000 means this pen. You can see here in this pen there are 6 buttons, where you will get on off button, music, record, and reswitch, volume increase and volume decrease. So by pressing this long press, it will on. You can see
a few moments later.
So you can see here blue light. So the remote has been on. So the specialty of this book means the remote is, you can see here, you can read this. After reading this, see, I'll point my pen on this line.
Nourishing the gods with yajna will fulfill all your desires. The one who enjoys the pleasures of the world without offering them to the divine is a thief.
So you have noticed that what was written, it has told. So and it will say for this both languages. If I make to say this full, it will become a big video. So, and also it recognizes the images also. You can see here, I'll point this on this image. So you can see here, it has recognized this, even this image. And also there is a flute. Here you will get this type of flute, and it recognizes even this. This is the specialty of this pen. So coming to for this button, if you press this and if you point out here,
Knowledge of realization.
so I need to say
record now.
Janana Vijana Yoga. So now it's the low battery. Sorry, I can't show you the full information. If you need to buy this, the link in the description, you can go and buy that. And so if you like this video, and also subscribe my channel, and also press on the bell icon so you can see every videos of mine, and also share this to your friends. If you need to buy this product, the link in the description, you can go and buy. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.